With the warm camping season coming to an end, we decided to go for it and take one of our boldest trips yet. Our daughter and her husband had moved to Chicago and we've been dying to go see them. We decided to make a big loop throughout the Midwest and go see the Devil's Tower National Park, Mount Rushmore, Crazy Horse, check out the Black Hills a little, and then go see the Badlands National Park. Then make our way over to Chicago and see Macon and Jacob. Just after crossing the border in New Mexico, we were looking at the map and discovered we were not too far from a volcano, Capelin Volcano National Monument. The volcano had last erupted about 60,000 years ago and is part of an 8,000 square mile volcano field in northeastern New Mexico. The views are spectacular and you can see 4 different states from the volcanic rim. Once we left the volcano, we drove out of New Mexico through Colorado into Wyoming to one of our favorite camping spots, Medicine Bow National Forest. Good morning, everyone. It's been a long time since we've made a trip video, so welcome back to Overland Trails Adventures. I'm Shannon. My wife is over there getting ready this morning. We are in Medicine Bow National Forest in Wyoming, on our way to Devil's Tower. We got the sunrise over here behind me. Coming up this morning, we're going to grab some video here. We're going to enjoy this place a little bit more. So we were here a couple of years ago when we went to the Grand Tetons, cut through Wyoming, and it's just a beautiful place. The rock formations here are incredible. I'll try to show you some more of that, but this is a magical place to be if you ever get a chance to come up here. We're gonna get some breakfast cooking here in a minute, and then we're going to get on the road. So thanks for coming along with us. Let's go. Well, it's inevitable. On every trip, we always seem to forget something. And luckily in Cheyenne, they have a decent Walmart. So we're going to go in here and grab some stuff. From Cheyenne, we drove north through Wyoming to the Devil's Tower National Monument. The Devil's Tower was featured in the 1977 hit movie Close Encounters of the Third Kind. It is located in the northeast side of Wyoming. The Devil's Tower National Monument was established in 1906. It is part of the Bear Lodge Mountains as part of the Black Hills. 867 feet from summit to base. Lodging and supplies are available at the nearby KOA RV Park and Store. From the Devil's Tower National Monument, we drove southeast to Crazy Horse Memorial. The Crazy Horse Memorial was established in 1948 and still under construction to honor Crazy Horse. The Lakota warrior is best known for taking up arms against the federal government for encroachment on their natural settled lands and to protect their way of life. Crazy Horse, it was just a hop, skip, and a jump over the hills to Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore National Memorial is a massive sculpture carved into Mount Rushmore in the Black Hills region of South Dakota. Mount Rushmore was established in 1925. The purpose of the memorial is to communicate the founding, expansion, preservation, and unification of the United States with the colossal statues of Washington, Jefferson, Lincoln, and Theodore Roosevelt. Join us in the next episode where we take you off-roading in the Black Hills of South Dakota. In the meantime, we'll see you on the trails.